Yeah, man, you guys here? You guys ready to roll? Yeah, man, we're ready to play, guys. Now, this is my 20th freaking playthrough. And I'm having a hell of a time. I ain't gonna lie. Having a hell of a time, guys. Beating the Elden beast. I had a wild idea, man. I had a wild idea. Because I have so many points. Because I'm level 400. Get it, get it, get it. Should I kill this thing? Caught me. Am I doing damn? Oh, this is to know someone's playthrough, huh? I want to be on his head more, right? Whoa! Whoa, whoa! I got grabbed. I got grabbed. I'm dead. No, I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh, I'm not dead. That's okay. If I could target your head. That was a little early, but I think I took some damn. Okay, that's okay. He's gonna be tired. Dodged it, folks. I dodged the grab. Does he die? Does he freaking die? That's it. I'm flasking for this fool. I just flashed up. Whoa. What is he doing? Oh, he's almost dead. Don't get greedy. That should do it. There we go. Okay, so we earned it. What we wanted was the... Hey, I got a golden seed. Caleb Boyd, what's up, Rhodes? How you doing? Kevin Cook, what is up, guys? Is that Skullbones, the Ubisoft game about ships? Truth, what's up, dude? What's up, Jay? How you doing? That was upsetting. Guys, I had an idea. Instead of using one of these swords, what if we used something that I've killed Elden Beasts with before and it does the most physical damage? Is it fat roll? Will it fat roll, guys? Let's see. This is the big test. At this level with all these talent points. Fat roll. Okay. I would need to switch something out, like maybe this for the Great Arsenal Jar. That's not fat roll, right? It's not. Problem is, I think I want stamina talisman too, but we're coming in with 80 endurance, 60 endurance, but we're gonna get rid of the faith. So I might. You don't get a lot of endurance, but guys, we go like 80 or 90 endurance because we're gonna have the points. We're gonna have the points. Then I go to the round table hold and we put Royal Knight's Resolve on this freaking big monk. Yeah, it's about pirate life. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. We gotta put Ash on, guys. Ashes of War. This one, and then we gotta go down to, where is it? Quality Giant Crusher. What? Does this thing already have Royal Knight's Resolve on it? Is that... No, that's Ash I have to get, right? Equipment. Quality Giant Crusher. Why does it say Royal Knight's Resolve? About to give Verizon the boot if they don't stop slowing my interwebs. Oh, that sucks, man. I thought I found one called... Oh, I see. No, I found it. Royal Knight's Resolve. And we want Standard quality. We want standard. Okay, so now we have that. And now we have a roll. Was there something else I needed to get for this? I think that might have been it, guys. So now I think I have a pretty... Oh, I want to respec. Let's go see our pumpkin-hugging girlfriend, folks. You guys have a pumpkin-hugging girlfriend, right? I got like 23 larval tears, man. I could burn them, guys. I could burn a larval tears. I don't care. I don't care, man.
Is it thy
Yeah,
wish?
it's me, born anew. Reborn. Yes.
Now.
Okay. So the bigger was at 80. I'm going to put it back up to 80, and we might even go more. Even though I think 80 is pretty high, guys. You start getting... mine is at 72. I'm going to steal some points and put some into that too and put mine at 80, guys. For phase 1. For phase 1. Endurance is at 60. That's what I wanted to pump up. Strength is, I think, 80, guys. Strength is 80. 80 is a good number for strength, right? And we're going to pick up a bunch of faith, guys. Dexterity is at 50. Oh, wait. I have... No, Giant's Crusher only scales with strength, but we have... Guys, we gotta back out. Cancel rebirth. Yeah, we did not spin the rebirth.
Be not alarmed.
We gotta check one more thing, guys.
Fear.
Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. I got business to do. We're working over here. This thing. Strength and int. Okay, so there's no dex there. And there's no dex here, so I don't need dex, guys. Okay. I don't need dex.
Is it thy wish?
I just need strength and int, man. Get reborn. Yes.
Now, bear this sweeting.
I'm changing to a bonk for phase 2 of Elden Beast. I'm going to do Radagon with the Snow Witch build as we started off. But I've tried too many attempts and not been able to with the it's just not enough damage. It's not enough damage. And even the big blue magic sword, the moon, great moon, dark moon swords, they do magic damage. It still doesn't help. It doesn't do anything. Endurance, we're going to go at least to 60. Strength goes back to 80. Do you ever play Assassin's Creed 4? Black Flag, there's a lot of ships compared to other Assassin's Creed games. Rhodes. We'll see if Rhodes does. We said we don't need dex. We don't need dex, guys. So we're not going to level dex. Int goes to 80 unless we have a bunch of points left over. And then faith is 75. Oh, what is that spell? What is that spell? Holy damn negation spell Elden Ring. Blessing of the Earth Tree or something? Divine Fortification. Yes. Divine Fortification. And I'm going to see how many faith it takes. Probably 30. Probably 30. Stamina cost. Last 90 seconds. Requires 10 faith. Wow. Dude, this freaking increases holy damage negation by 35%. 70 seconds. That's worth casting before Radagon and before Elden Beast. So we can get some work in before we start getting freaking melted. Okay, so I only need 10 for that. And Golden Vow. Golden Vow. How much, Oh, but actually, since I'm using this hammer... Yeah, I'm not sure how. Golden Vow. Golden Vow, Living God, IGN, here we go. I'll tell you guys. Golden Vow, what is it, 30 faith or 25, guys? 30 faith or 25? 25 faith. 25 faith. Let's, just in case we want the option. We gotta check flame, grant me strength. Grant me strength. Doesn't that, or does that only save me against physical? Does that help physical too? Does it help fire and physical? 15 faith. Okay, so it looks like we need 25 faith. I can do that, guys. I can do 25 faith. We're picking up 50 chess.com rating points. Now, and we didn't need dex either. Guys, I have freaking like 80 freaking 77 points left, guys. And they're not going to count that much, but I don't need dex for this build. So I'm gonna go to 80 endurance. Guys, I still got so much more. Let's go to 90 mind. Vig doesn't help much. Went to 99 and I still have more. Strength, I can go more strength, I guess. That's gonna 99. And then I still have 8 points left. We could put that in endurance. You know what I like about this build? This build is real heavy in Vig, mind. Oh no, int. Yeah, int's at 80. Int's at 80, man. I could probably maybe pop the int up a little bit, right? From there, and then like maybe the Vig doesn't need, that could be like 95. The mine, I might leave it 90. 88. Okay, okay. Yeah, this gives me more Vig. It's not a lot, guys. It's not a lot. At this level, going from 80 to 95 Vig, it doesn't give you much. Black Flag was good. I've seen people calling Skull and Bones the second iteration of that game, says Caleb, man. Guys, this is a desperation grasp in the dark, folks. This is basically two builds. It's basically two builds. It is the Snow Witch build. Oh wait, wrong race. The Snow Witch build with a ton of points left over to do the Big Bonk build all at the same time. And as a matter of fact, I think some people that get like max level, they have like, they just put, well, you have max points in everything, right? So they can put any gear on and be maxed out on it. If you just had 80 in every stat, then you could play the game with any build you want at any time you want. Charlie on the big screen, Mullinix, what's up, dude? Drew, what's up, man? How you doing, brother? Drew, out of desperation, Drew. I'm telling you, I can't kill a freaking, I can't kill the Elden Beast, but you know what? This might help. It might help. I've got this. I don't have my turtle, so I could run out of stamina. I'm going to have to manage it and see. But if the dam is worth it, man. If the dam is worth it. Because I had a bunch in faith that I wasn't using. We had 75 points in faith. We only needed 25. I picked up 50 points. And we dropped any weapon that needed dexterity. And there was 60 in dexterity. You know what I'm saying? So I picked up like 100 points. Like me, Maxon. Flaunting my stuff. Blood Mage build. Hell yeah. Go for it. Yeah, because we'll just do like this. And we'll just be a little Snow Mage. We'll be a little Snow Mage. The thing is, I had to do the Greater Arsenal's Jar, but you know what I picked up? Check this out. You're going to love this one. Why? All respect. Lord's Divine Fortification. I Googled it. It said 25. Oh my God. 27 faith. Alright. It's just a larval tier, folks. We're going back to our pumpkin-headed, loving girlfriend. Guys, don't say anything about the pumpkin, okay? You're gonna make her feel weird. Honey, I brought some friends. Honey, you have the... Are you hugging on the... You're gonna embarrass me in front of my friends, honey. Could you keep the pumpkin down? Could you please keep the pumpkin down? Okay, same build, just 27 faith. Is Trey here? Not yet. I think he might show up. Rebirth. Yes, they're just larval tears, guys. They're just larval tears. Faith 27 is the first thing we're doing. 27. Okay. What? Yeah, like the endurance, we went from 60 to 85. So I'm going 99 strength for the meme. For sure. And we're going to go 95 big for the meme. For sure. Mine is 90 for sure. All those points, guys, they don't do so much. They don't do hardly anything at all. But the thing is, there's nowhere else to put them. So if I get literally like a 1.5% gain, I'll take it. You know what I mean? I'll take it, guys. Mine, that's only for phase 1, guys. We got 90 in phase 1, but 90 points for phase 1. Okay, endurance, I think, is the one. Oh, yeah, strength 99. Let me see. Intelligence. Oh, yeah, 88 int. I got to kill the Elden Beast, guys. This is my 20th playthrough, and it's time to get her done. Endurance will be the rest. And we took 2 points. It should be 83. There we go. Confirm. Yes. So I got Lord's Divine Fortification to massively help me not get melted. 70 seconds, folks. 70 seconds. You get some holy damage negation. Okay. Now, we just have to decide what we're going to do with our physic. What I have to do is, I have to do better against Radagon and have a longer fight. Look at that. I can see how big my freaking health bar is, man. Billy says soft and guard caps are a real thing, folks. Once you live to a certain point, stats granted are very, very minuscule. Right, I know, but you know what? If I have the points and I'm at 60 or 80, and I have the points, I might as well go to 99. You know? But keep in mind, you can't stack flame, grant me strength, and that holy buff. Right, right. And so that the holy buff, I think, is the... see, I don't have flame, grant me strength available right here. So I think I'm going to cast these, and then my physic is boost magic and hard tier. So I think I'm going to use my physic in phase 1 to try and kill Radagon faster. And then I might have a little bit longer fight with Elden Beast, but I'm not going to be doing magic damage. I'm going to be doing the most physical damage possible with the Heavy Giant Crusher. I probably am going to be running low on stamina, at which point we might have to consider getting rid of one of these. Like raises potency of sorceries, might have to get rid of that and put it on the green turtle. But with... yeah, see, it doesn't burn my stamina when I'm not whacking something. So let's give it a shot. Let's give it a little attempt here, folks. Do I have anything to eat? Oh, I got Starlight Shards, but I'm going to wait on that. Once I get comfortable, I could pop a Starlight Shard. Also, Exalted Flesh. Which one does that not stack with? Will that not stack with Lord's, that holy damage negation either? Because it doesn't stack with something else, right? Or that doesn't stack with... I can maybe do this because it's easier for me to cast. Because they don't have to switch weapons. Exalted Flesh and Divine Fortification. Those don't conflict with each other, right? Because if they don't, that'll be my move. Keep in mind, yeah. That's why I just maxed everything at 672. It was already basically 713. I feel like absolutely nothing has changed, but I'm not dealing with an eyesore of not having everything at 99. Oh, that's nice, man. Yeah, oh, so Exalted Flesh and Divine Fortification will not stack. Okay. Okay. Well, I'll keep that in mind. To be honest, I mean, the grab is the only real holy negation I think I need. That having that Lord's Divine Fortification would make a big difference on. And that's one of the attacks that gives me a hard time. Well, that sometimes I get caught with. The other one is the belly flop that I've actually learned a way to get around it. And it's just the timing. You know how he'll swing, and you can hit him. If he goes to swing and you dodge and you hit him, you can hit him and regain before he comes to swing again. When he swings the second time, if you dodge and hit him real fast and then dodge, you miss the belly flop. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm gonna go for here. We're gonna go ahead and do this. Golden Bow. Fine Fortification. This will help me too, just a little bit tank a little bit of stuff. There's like 10-second delay. My phone. As opposed to the TV. Okay, you can put 1 buff on your weapon, 1 buff on your body. 1 HP regen spell and buff, and you can stack invis, damage, and consumables, invisible, consumable with everything. Wow, yeah. If I learned those rules you just explained to me and understood them and had them memorized, then I would just know. And the Ash from Jellyfish shield on everything too. Okay. The dam's good. Oh, I felt like I did that late. How do I do that? Come on. I got a frame on that. She's rushing at me like crazy, guys. And too early. Damn it, that was so close. Tanking now because I'm panicking. She just wanted to delete me. I had her. Guys, you know what it is? Because the phase actually changes. So the first phase is actually really easy, and the second phase, when she starts porting, that's when I get a little goofy, man. Phase 1 looked good, though, man. The Ash from Jellyfish. Okay, yeah. So phase 1 looked good, right? I just need to do better in the phase 2, and I started to. When she starts porting, Billy said just run away. It's not too easy for me to run away because it seems like she's close. I'm going to try that again. I'm going to try that again for sure. Yeah, and I don't have my magic. Whoa. We got an alert, folks. Let me check it. Amber alert. Okay. Now I have to silence my phone because All right. Did you guys hear that? That was good going. So at first I thought it was a no-hitter. Yeah, it was looking good, but that's what happens because she changes her attacks, man. You know what I'm saying? It gets a little bit different. Let's get ready to buff. Okay, here we go. Same thing, only better. I'm gonna try and run away. I'm gonna try and run away when she starts porting, man. I just feel like she jumps at me and hits me as I'm running away. But I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try and do it a little bit better. Wow. Too close to her, okay? She might try and hit me. See, that hit I have to run in. Okay. Now she's gonna delete me. Nope, we got her. Back to the range. Back to the range. We got the right range. Wow. There's a lot of health pots, folks. I knew it! I was still a little close. That was better, though, because I usually run beside her on that. Dude, right at the end. Okay, now we'll get to see the you sent me the buff stacking guide. Thank you, man. I saw the picture, but there was an alert, Amber alert. Okay, so now I think I got my Royal Knight's Resolve off. If my hammer's white, we'll know. And I might be able to get some wax in. We'll see what the damage is like. Not that much. Well, I'm not going to be there in time. Okay, now we're going to see what the stam is like if I got to change that trinket. I thought it was a different attack. I thought it was a different attack. I thought it was a different attack. Yeah. That's okay. That's okay. I can do better than that. But I gotta tell you, I got him with the Royal Knight's Resolve. It's not doing much damage, man. It's not doing much damage, guys. We gotta try again. We gotta try again, folks. We can do better. Especially in phase 1. Back in. We're back in the action, folks. Phase 1, I got pretty good. Phase 2 is just so much more random, and she like bum rushes me. You know what I'm saying? It's rougher, guys. closer than I like to be. I like that. I don't like going this way. Like that, Billy. Oh, dude. She never does the back-to-back. She never does the back-to-back. I haven't seen it in days. I haven't seen a back-to-back in days. I have to watch for it. Thanks for the buff stacking guide, Drew. Trey, what's up, brother? Dude, Billy, that time running away worked. You seen that? That could be a huge improvement on that second phase. And she did the freaking back-to-back, man. The back-to-back freaking lightning holy spirit thing. Yeah, man. You got the cut and run. Yeah, the cut and run for sure. Look what I got, Trey. I'm just trying. I'm trying anything at this point. It's desperation. Let's do this. If we get phase down nice and sweet, guys, then phase 2's, we're gonna get a ton of phase 2s, and we can really focus on phase 2. Let me in there. All right. Okay. Not let me shoot. I had to get some stand there, guys. Oh no, is she in a glitch? She's not in a glitch. Little stam. See, and there I should have rolled in. There I should have rolled in when she got too close to me. That was a little early. Some people are just naturals at these games. I'm not one of them, and I can tell I'm already going to struggle with this boss. If you get you use a summons, Caleb, it's a whole nother animal. It's a whole nother animal. You know what I mean? You could do so much damage, man. Yeah, that wasn't too bad either. Much better with the second phase. Took a couple hits. Really didn't screw up much of the standard attacks. It's those port attacks that kind of screwed me up. And I was managing my stamina too. Skipping the first hit. And a belly flop. Stamina. It's like doing no damn at all, guys. I didn't think he was going to do it again. I don't think it's new. Guys, this thing's doing no damage at all. Why is it doing no damage? Why is this freaking hammer doing no damage, guys? Even with the Royal Knight's Resolve. I mean, okay, the last time I fought him was the full true build with the stamina with two hammers. Well, Millennia with the summons is tough, so I'm sure they're all tough, Caleb. No, with the summons, this game is tough. First playthrough, I did summons on everything, and I used a caster so I could stay away from everything, so I wouldn't have to dodge it so much. You know what I mean? Game's freaking tough. Hammer's not working. Hammer's not working, guys. I think the closest I've been was with Malekith's sword, guys. The closest we've been is with Malekith's sword. And that sword, they say this thing does like the most physical damage, but it's not. It doesn't seem to be doing it. Millennia is harder, I think so too. Yeah. Trey, why is this freaking ham not doing any damn, bro? The ham doesn't seem to be doing any damn. Maybe because it does maybe the most physical damage, but it's like a blunt. It's like a blunt situation or something, and it's not the and it's not like a slashing, cutting kind of thing. I don't know. I don't know, man. I just know that I was getting way more damage out of Malekith's blade. Out of this one. You know, I'd have to go back into strength and dex. We don't have a talismans boosting either. What talismans are going to boost it? Cool, Drew. What talisman can boost it, man? What talisman is going to boost 99 strength? Let me show you. Here's my talismans. I've got these two on for Radagon. You see that's the problem with the split build. But the problem is, I tried going all frost, and the Elden Beast is just not. He's just not taking damn. He's not taking damn. This NG plus 8 is harder than NG plus 7 was, man. Although you guys helped me do that, didn't you? And my stats are 95 Vig, 90 Mind, 83 Endurance, 99 Strength, 15 Dex because nothing scales with Dex that I'm using, 88 Intelligence, and 27 Faith. Nothing scales with Faith that I'm using. I mean, it's all int. Wait. Yeah, it's all int and all strength on both weapons. So I don't know a talisman that can do more damage. I'm having to use this great thing to carry the damn hammer, right? I could maybe get rid of Raze's potency of sorceries, but what do you put in it? Like the jump attack thing or something? I could try that. I could try and do the jump attack malarkey. Radagon's going to be a little harder, but you know, that's what I keep doing. Because I've got this damn split build, but maybe jump attacks could get me more damage out of it. Yeah, Dish was talking to me about stats. Yeah. Here's my stats, Trey. Vigor's at 95. Mine's at 90. Endurance is 83. Strength is 99. Dex is 15 because nothing works off Dex. Intellect is at 88. Faith is at 27 just for Lord's Divine Favor. Arcane is at 8. Because my staff scales off int and strength, and my hammer scales off strength. So I've got those numbers down, so I don't have like weapons where I need one more stat. Like, oh, we need Dex. Oh, we need Arcane. Strength scales on both of them, and then we need 88 int for the staff. Maybe we need the jump attack. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. And the only talisman I think I should give up should probably be potency of sorceries. I keep taking things out of the Radagon build and making Radagon harder to make Elden Beast easier. You know what I'm saying? Equipment. Let's check this. Raptor's feathers. Oh, if we don't... I don't have it. I don't have it. No, I got it. Okay. And that, let me see what the difference was, because I was using this big heavy stuff. Oh, Raptor's feathers. Oh, no. That's 13 holy damage. And this is 9.5. I'm taking a little less, but it definitely a little less weight. Let's see if I can get rid of my heavy arsenal. I seriously doubt it, but we're going to try. Fat roll, watch. Oh, no. So now I get raises stamina recovery instead of the heavy arsenal by putting this thing on. I take a little more holy damage, but there should be a colossal weapon damage talisman. I can think of the name. Billy, let's look for it. It's going to be down here somewhere, right? No, it's going to be up here somewhere. Arrow's reach, great shield, jump 1, spear, hammer talisman, enhances stamina, reducing attacks against blockers. No. Enhanced charge attacks, enhanced guard counters, final hit of chain, and enhanced charge attacks. Yeah, no, I don't see anything that I have in stock. You know what I mean? I don't see it. Unless it's down here further, which I seriously doubt. Spell duration, roar, FP, skills, nope. Charge spells and skills. Reduces damage. I don't see it. Raptors, black feathers, chest piece, and a jump attack talisman. Yeah, that's what I did. That's a change I made, and that made me a little bit lighter to where I could also put on the stamina malarkey. So we could try this. Radagon is going to be a little bit harder than he was a minute ago because, hey man, AFK Horde is now following. Now, that I think was a follow from Facebook, I'm guessing. If anyone hasn't subbed, if you haven't subbed, consider subbing, please, because I want to see if the freaking alert drops. Because that's how I screwed my entire stream up today, was getting the correct YouTube channel connected to my alerts. Because we weren't getting alerts here. And I thought there was one reason, but there wasn't. It's because I had set it up wrong. Hey, AFK Horde says my Discord. Okay, cool. Oh, wait. Know something on channel I think needs to be omitted. Yeah, Twitch is funny, guys. People like constant people come into your this guy. Do I want to block that guy? I think if a guy like came in and said like he wants me to go into his Discord and then said my Discord is blank, right? Notice something on your channel that needs to be amended. I'd love to chat with you more about it on Discord. What do you think he wants, guys? It'd be a great opportunity to discuss the issue in more detail. Come up with a solution together. Yeah, man. How do I freak? I'm on my... Oh, there we go. There we go. How do you... Wait. No, I don't know how to ban someone on freaking Twitch, man. You're gonna have to learn, folks. You should be able to just click on their freaking name. And just... I mean, he's gonna go away. Oh, wait, there we go. Okay, he's gone. Yeah. Because, I mean, that guy's not... no real person comes up and goes, hello, I noticed an issue on your page where I'd like to help you out with. Join my Discord. Here's my Discord, right? Yeah. No one talks like that, folks. No one talks like that. He was trying to talk to you. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not seeing it. I'll have to look into it. Right, Raptors, Black Feathers. Okay. Okay, so now we have to remember jump attacks. And we're going to do Royal Knights Resolve jump attacks. All right, guys? And we'll see how that works. Oh, come on. Wrong one. Alright. Radagon might take another little second. I can do anything from my end because he's in a different chat. Right. Exactly. Yeah, I actually have a Twitch window open. Rhodes says, jog. I can. I'm on it. Job done. Thank you, Rhodes. Thank you, Rhodes. Okay. I jumped early. It's okay. The Lord's Divine Fortification helped a lot with that hit, guys. I jumped early. Kind of tank that. I don't know. I mean, that was easy. My chat keeps reading, says Drew. Need to keep resetting YouTube. That happening to anyone else. All right, guys. Oh, okay. That was good. That was good. Right, guys? I mean, if that happens, every Radagon... No, didn't seem to do much damage. Just not doing any damage, man. I got him with one Royal Knights Resolve and a couple jumps, and it's just not doing anything. Yeah, truly unlimited data on cellular to me is like a... it's just not enough, man. It's just not enough. I think the most damage I ever got was off of Malekith's Black Blade, man. I really do. This isn't doing it. Radagon is feeling wonderful. And then maybe jump attacks on that. You know what I'm saying? And then I can just go back and respec a little bit. Wait. It's a big, pretty black one. There it is. And this thing scales with strength, dex, and faith. Yeah, so this is the one where we went like some faith and some dex. So we need faith. We need to add faith index, and that's going to be going back to what we had before, and I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it, guys. We're going back to my pumpkin-headed girlfriend. I just want to get to a build where I'm doing some reasonable damage to Elden Beast. And then once I do, then I'll just freaking deal with it. And I'll just get better. You know what I mean? If every time I hit him, guys, if I'm going to have to, like, engage him and hit him freaking 80 times, I don't know if if I have that in me. It might be more than that. You guys are on Verizon, the pumpkin-headed hugger, folks. We got lots of larval tears, folks. I already checked stock. Yes. Okay, so we need faith in dex now to some kind of reasonable amounts. And I bet the faith is the ash. So let's go ahead and put our big back up to 80. I think the big was actually at like... Mind. We're okay with mind. So like, I bet like... Maybe we'll try 70 in that. Endurance was... I think it was at 60 or 65 or something, man. Let's bring that down a little bit, because if we keep that talisman... I love that talisman. Strength 99 doesn't need to be 99, guys. Strength 80 is plenty of strength, guys. Okay. Faith, we need at least 27. We have like 200 points left. Oh, we need int too. We want to get 80 int for phase 1. And then have about 120 left. And it was faith and dex, right? So let's see what 60 and 60 looks like. Okay, 60, 62. So I think, I mean, I bet the faith, does the faith probably scale more with the ash on the weapon, on Malekith's weapon? You know, the little thing, the weapon art thing. Is that probably where the faith scales and the dex scales with whacking? Or no? Yeah, I definitely need dex. Dex, faith, and strength. What back when iPhone first came out on AT&T. Okay, wait. Maybe use Night Comet with Staff of Loss. In other hand, both sorcery, talismans, magic scorpion, dragon great shield. You're talking about for Elden Beast, but that would be a different spec too, then, right? I'm gonna consider that, Drew. But at a different time, because phase 1 is getting pretty good. I mean, I can have a bad phase 1, we know that, but like that last phase 1 was really good. And I can do that with this build. And so I am trying to pump up the for Malekith's Black Blade. It takes faith and dex. I've got 60 faith and I think we put more faith in dex last time because of the tier of the scaling, right? So I think it went more like maybe 70 52 or something. That's what I meant. Truly unlimited Data. Okay, yeah. Would be same spec with Ice Crag. Same spec as the Ice Crag, right? Oh, you're talking about using that on phase 1 or phase 2? Are you talking about phase 1 or phase 2? You got to be talking about phase 2, right? Because phase 1's done. What I'm doing, because I tried Ice Crag on Elden Beast, and it's like it was better than what we just saw with the hammer. The Big Bonk wasn't doing it. Ice Crag on 1, Night Comet on 2. Yeah, but so I would have to go back to the other spec and switch stabs and use a different staff. I'm going to try this first, Drew, before I go back to a full caster build, okay? Because I got it set up. I got it back about where I want it. And this is where I had it like about a week ago. And like back when I almost killed him. Back when we came close. Was with Malekith's sword. And then I kept getting further and further away from it. I might also, now that I get rid of the Big Bonk, I might be able to get rid of the talisman thing, the turtle talisman. But you know what, Drew? If I decide to go back to a full caster guild or build, we'll try that one. Give Blackblade a try because Death and Death is the God Killer. Yeah, that's what I'm hoping. Let me see. Where are we going here? We're going a little place called Elden Throne. Yeah, man. There's still some RNG on Radagon where when he starts porting, if I bet I'm way lightweight now, guys. Status load, equipment load is 125. Now tell me this, when you're medium, if you're on the low side of medium, do you roll faster than if you're on the high side of medium? You do, don't you? Or do you just like regen stamina faster and stuff? Because I feel pretty lightweight right now compared to where I was, and it's because of the raptor and the and taking off the Big Bonk. No, medium is the same all the way through. It doesn't matter. It's so weird. And yeah, and I'm medium load, man. That's weird. I guess it just it feels different because of the Am I supposed to hold the button down when I jump? Does it make you jump longer? I think that's a jump attack. Yeah, it's the same. It's the same. You feel lighter because you can see past the hammer. Probably, Billy. And you know what? Another thing that's probably doing it is just the animation of the cloak and being able to see that I'm skinny underneath my cloak, as opposed to having that big fat dung eater body on. I don't know. I feel more nimble, guys. Maybe mentally it'll help me. You know what I mean? Okay. Let's see if we can do some freaking damage now. Now, if when I hit him, he takes damage, I'm gonna feel like I have a chance. Shakari Taylor, what's up, my brother? How you doing, man? Guys, welcome to the stream. If you guys like what you see, throw me a sub. I'd appreciate it very much. We play Elden Ring After Dark. This is my 20th playthrough. It's an NG plus 8. And, boy, Elden Beast is making me work for it. Elden Beast is making me work for it, folks. Well, that was a health pot. I blame Elden Beast, but, you know, it could out... Ooh, I think I went to the wrong grace. Here. Elden Beast is making me work for it. And I think I've kind of come full circle because I've tried a lot of stuff, guys. I've tried a lot of stuff. And the caster build was fun because I could use all my caster stuff on Radagon. But then when I get to Elden Beast, it just felt like I'm just never going to get there. I'm never going to get there. And the way I've always done best with Elden Beast was whacking him hard. You just got to get in there and hit him. Okay, let's go. Jackery Taylor, what's up? How's the kiddo? Yeah, Jackery. If you don't mind talking about it, how's the kiddo doing, man? I gotta watch for the double. That was weird. Something was weird right there. That was a little close. I went and ate a flesh too. Which one won't stack with flesh? Really, what I should do is buff a Lord's Flame, but our Lord's favor for 70 seconds, but I'm not going to. I jumped. Should be jumping. I think I hit him on the way out. See, he's taking damage, guys. He's taking damage. Oh, I didn't run. I thought it was a different attack. Lucky there. See how his health bar is going down, guys? That's all I need. I mean, if his health bar is going down a little bit, now I have hope. You know what I'm saying? Just need a little bit of hope, guys. And some skill. Wow, that was unfortunate. That was the best, the most I've got the Elden Beast down in a week. Since last time we did okay. Charlie dodging like Neo in YouTube chat is screwed up because the heart is blocking his comment. Matrix. That's great, man. Glad to hear it. That's good to hear. Jack. Oh, what'd Jackery say? What'd Jackery say? How's the kiddo? Sanji says return to the turquoise frames. Yes, my son is doing good, Billy. Thanks for asking, says Jackery Taylor. I'm doing good, Drew. Good, man. Good, Jackery. Good to hear it. He's good on a strict diet. Lots of gluten-free stuff in my house. Oh, man. You know what? He might have the built-in healthy life by having the built-in health problem that he has to deal with for the rest of his life. It's going to suck in certain ways with eating and stuff. You know, might cut out a whole bunch of freaking, you know, ding-dongs and ho-hos. You know what I'm saying? So, you know. Good luck to your son, man. Dude, that ash was melting him. I do that instead of the little smacks here and there. Try to get that off as many times as possible. Yeah, Billy, well, you felt pretty good, huh? We're just going to say same thing, Billy. Yeah, nice. Nice. Okay, guys. Yeah, you know who recommended that, I think, was Kat. Kat is the one that recommended this weapon and recommended that ash. And there were a couple of times where I had a spot to do it. The thing is, I hate to do it underneath him. It takes so much time. You know, when he swings, belly flops, and I roll to his side, that I should do it every time. Because I know I have enough time to get it off. You know what I'm saying? I wonder if that eats a ton of stamina too. I bet it doesn't. I wonder if while it's going, if it's burning my stamina or not. That I don't know. But guys, this right here is this is workable. This is workable. Somehow those weren't Elden stars, right? That was the Elden something else. Elden stars is when it's a little straight string. Or did I just completely screw that up and just run into those? Took a lot of damn there, and then he got me with the swipe that I still don't know exactly how to freaking get out of. I feel like I should roll forward through it, but I feel like someone said to try rolling away from it. So that was good. That was a good attempt, guys. 50%, right? 50% at least. Guys, we need the bio, man. I'll take you guys as far as the coffee can. It's only going to take a second, guys. I'm getting excited. I'm getting excited, and I need the restroom, folks. It's for later. It's for later, folks. Oh, we got this. I want the 20th freaking kill. I want the 20th freaking kill right here, folks. Buffing, buffing, buffing. Here we go. Buffy the Vampire Slayer. Golden Bow. Lord's Divine. Hit it up. If I could get the freaking buffs off faster. If I could get the freaking buffs off faster, I'd love to get a Golden Bow and a Lord's Divine. I can't always get two, but even at the risk of the first hit, maybe buff and then run back and do the Ash behind him. My pull's okay, huh, guys? Oh God, no. He's stuck, but I don't have the stamina to keep taking advantage of it. See this? I'm gonna run out of mana. That worked though. That was free shots, guys. I wonder if he knows what I just did to him. He did the double, man. I will not freaking watch for it, guys. All I gotta do is watch for that double. It's so easy to freaking answer. I usually hit him when he's up in the air like that. Come on. I got a gold vow off. I might have to drink mana to do the ash though, right? No stam. I screwed up. We're good. I didn't see which way it was looking. I meant to do the ash there. I'm dead. I knew I was dead. That still was great. It was a horrible, horrible thing that just happened right there. I meant to do the ash and then I kind of choked and then I missed a freaking, I missed something. But that was good. Guys, the Radagons are getting a little more consistent. This is the one, folks. Dude, it's so many of these attacks are so unforgivable, man. They're so unforgivable. I had a golden vow up that time. I need to get that switch faster, guys. I need to get the switch faster. Okay, wrong one. Okay, remember I got a golden vow on my left button. Golden vow with the left button, folks. Left button. Second verse, same as the first. And I'm gonna be on my mana pot because we're just gonna try and no hit ish him like we kind of been doing. We've been taking very little damn. We got to keep this up, folks. We got to keep this up. Stay focused because the game will not get lazy. I went for 3 there. I probably should have gone for 2. Those didn't hurt because of the Divine Lord's fortification. Get it, get it! I might have got it. Okay, I blew that. That was mana though. And that's what I needed. Okay, that always hurts. Just topping off. Even with the first one with the drink animation, that's okay. We have jump stuff, right? I'm dead. Maybe not. Don't shoot me again with that poopy. He hit me on his way up. How come we don't get double rings, guys? Where is he? That was early. Why didn't it do it? Oh, I should drink, huh? Okay, 50%. 50%. Again, that was operator error for sure. I swear I freaking went to do the ash and it wouldn't do it. It's like, did I maybe not have the stamina? Maybe I didn't have the stamina. You know what I'm saying? I just have to really focus on the Radagons. Make them better, not worse, guys. Better Radagons than we've seen so far, not worse. Better Radagons, tighter, bigger, faster, folks. And get both those buffs off before I go in. I got hit by that? Wow. I don't understand how I get hit by that one. How was that? I didn't do the right button, and then I freaking... Okay, wait. I might have Lord's Divine Favor, guys. I might survive this. Wow. I survived the grab. I survived the grab, guys. Because of the Lord's Divine Favor, man. I know what to do here. Yep. I feel like I should top off. Yeah, I haven't seen that one in like 20 minutes, guys. I'm starting to hit that 50% wall. That holy buff helped a lot, dude. If I would have just dodged it, it would have been better. Bielski, what are you doing, man? Welcome to the After Dark stream, guys. We're hitting that 50%. Are you guys seeing? You feeling a bot wall, guys? Wow, what a cheap shot. Yeah. He just wanted to delete me. That was a cheap shot. But it's like we just got to keep going, keep having good Radagons, and then sure enough, we'll have a good Elden Beast. I cannot run up to him and do that Ash. I have to run up and do a jump attack. You know what I'm saying? I have to. I kind of put myself in a bad position there. Okay, we got this. We got this. Focus on Radagon. Focus on Radagon. I didn't know what to do because I wasn't sure what he was going to do. He slammed that thing in the freaking... he slammed that thing in the freaking ground and just deleted me. I knew that was early. Oh, come on. I rolled. That was early. Recovered. Recovered. I jumped too early, guys. It's okay, though. Get him in the air. Took a pretty big chance there, but it worked. Yeah, I got greedy there. In my range. Get him. Okay. I blew my buffs. I blew my buffs. I blew everything. It's okay. We're gonna recover. For Elden Beast, I'll just have to sack some damn at the beginning. I didn't go behind the legs. That wasn't too bad. I got no damn it. I got no damn on the pole, but we're buffed. And now we're coming at him like a spider monkey too. Can I hit you, sir? If I could hit you, that'd be great. I probably could have whacked him right there. Just right here. That's just a jump. The ash. Okay. I freaking missed it again, guys. I missed it again. No, I screwed up. I screwed up and he deleted me. I didn't do my ash when I was supposed to, and then I hit it again. I don't understand why it's not doing it when I want to. Yeah, I don't understand. I wish I knew what I was doing wrong. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I'm... I mean... What I need... If it doesn't work, I need to not try and push it through. Just whack him. Just whack him and say, okay, we didn't get it off that time. That's okay. You know what I'm saying? I had a horrible transition, too. Just gotta hit the one button. Just the one button, guys. I hit too many buttons. And I need to have more mana at the end to get the buffs off. Right? I didn't want to get hit by those, but whatevs. I can tank some of those. Because I got all the holy buffs. These I can't be tanking. Wow, nice charges. Oh my god, I got lucky there. Give me the easy attack, I'll tank it. Not that one, not that one. Don't want to tank that one. That one I would tank if I wasn't getting melted. I usually can dodge that one. That was horrible. I mean, I had that phase. I had 7 health pots. I was going to need like 1 or 2 to catch up. And then I just botched it at the end. You can't mess up. You can't mess up. I think there's a little much overthinking natural flow. Good dude, just messing around. Right. Cullen says, I'm good, exhausted from work, but I'm good. Cool. I pissed him off for sure. Yeah, sometimes, man, he just wants to delete you, but the thing is, I need to do better. How come I can't use my golden bow? Oh, yeah, because this thing's two-handed. Okay. Here we go, folks. Dude, how do I freaking miss those sometimes? And sometimes nail them. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Still had our buff. Wow. I felt like, was I out of stam? I probably was. And I tried to roll that, but I was drinking. Hey! We dodged a double roll, folks. Can you move? I'm in front of the freaking legs. Oh my god. It's a long run, folks. It's a long run, but we got this. I hate that because I can't see what he's doing. Oh, I didn't think those came at me. Oh no! I rolled back into him, guys. I'm dead. I'm not dead. You guys like what you see, throw me a sub. I appreciate it. Well, that hurt. And that was the smash I should have saw coming. I shouldn't even go for 2 hits there, guys. And that was too early. Yep. Good timing, man. Thank you for the like. Whoever just did that, I think was that a sub? Did you guys see that? If anyone hasn't subbed on YouTube and you would, I would love to see the alert, see if it works. Or unsubscribe or subscribe. Would that make a difference? I don't know. I don't know if it make the alert. Last 2 polls, the best, the beast is when playing a sniper game. Yeah, I know, but like I said, I need to do better, man. I'm doing okay on Radagon, man. That last couple of Radagons, I got a little bit sloppy, guys, right? But I'm getting through him, and I'm having some good Radagon. Here we go. Back into the action, folks. Here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. We're gonna freaking take this guy out, man. I want to take this guy out so I can freaking relax. If you know what I mean. There's low on stamina right there, guys. That's a little stamina regen move I do sometimes. Yep. Let me drink and heal, and I just won't watch for that. I just won't watch for the double swords because they almost never come. This is getting worse. Saving it. Still doing time in a honky-tonk prison. He wants to delete me. Yeah, he wants to delete me. You could tell. That's when you step back for a second, recenter, calm the brain, and then, yeah, I wish I could read your comment. It's so crazy how the YouTube blocks their own comments. How is that not like something that gets fixed yesterday? I'm gonna try one thing, resizing my window to another window and seeing it, but I know it. Yeah, I watch YouTube. I watch YouTube, and the little heart blocks the chat. So whenever you make a comment, I can't read the comment. I mean, who does that? Who does that? Well, YouTube does, right? I'm gonna start complaining about YouTube, folks. I mean, I guess I just did. Yeah, the deletion was real. What in the world is considered honky-tonk prison? The bar. The bar is a honky-tonk prison. Back in it, folks, in a matter of seconds. Focus. I watched that time for the double. Wow. She's porting. It's freaking me out, Billy. It's freaking me out, Billy. Yep, that was bad. Get back in it. Thought I had her. There's no way. I knew I was getting greedy, but I thought it was gonna die. He said it with hunting you. Dude, yeah, I can't read your comment. It's a freaking YouTube. I'll read it when the next person types a comment. That's what I gotta do. I gotta stop reading what people say and say, what in the world is considered honky-tonk prison? Haha. And then I wait until the next comment will push this comment up above the heart. Do you guys all have that same thing on your interface? That was actually a really good Radagon. It can just go to crap in 2 seconds. He's fed up with hunting you down. Yeah, exactly. Finally, he slowed down a little bit, and I still blew it at the end, but that's okay. We can do this. Let's go! You have the same heart in the chat. It's weird. Why? I mean, you should be like, we should be able to Google that. It should be like the #1 topic. YouTube might be like, haha, we ain't changing it. Yeah, I have the same heart in the way. Okay, guys. We got a reasonable Elden Beast going. We don't have Lord's Divine Fortification up. And I think I two-handed my weapon. I did, so we're just going with it. Could have jumped right there. Too close still? Wow, it hit me. Probably shouldn't have done that. Well, I got that off. I didn't try. I tried to get the ash off, guys. I don't know what happened. I think I wasn't two-handing it. He whacked me, but it wasn't that bad. I was too close to go behind. Okay, we got to get to the middle of the ring, guys. This is all... That was very fortunate, too. Okay, now we're in the middle of the ring, guys. He was over near the edge. Okay. Rank. I could have whacked him, guys. More fire. I guess I'll top off, guys, so we don't... So nothing dumb happens. Because we got a reasonable pull. I probably should have saved it. killed myself. I killed myself doing the ash. I killed myself doing the ash. That's okay. When he goes to swipe his thing, it's going to be stars and I got to run. Guys, that was close. That was close. That was not the best attempt yet, but we're starting to get back to where we were. And if I would have just stayed with this build and just kept coming every freaking night, we would have had it by now. You know what I mean? Okay, we're just working. We're just doing the work, guys. We're doing this. This is the hard work. Yeah, best. Yeah, well, it was. Yeah, clearly by far the best. By far the best today. God, that dude freaked me out. And I need more mana at the end of phase 2. I'm not spacing the mana out right, guys. Second verse, same as the first. That's right, Trey. It's funny that you knew that. He tapped me. I knew I jumped early. You got to jump as it comes around, guys. Nope, still too early. I feel like I've been missing those like for months, and then now I'm getting nailed by them all. Early. Wow. I got out of that one good. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get the. I think I got it off. If he starts casting it, does it go through? The company was attacked before having to dodge in those attacks. Yeah, but you know what, Trey? It almost times it for you. It's like if you roll and then shoot, and then roll, it times it for you. You don't have to like delay or anything. You have to hit it, but I mean, I ain't bragging. I'm saying there's kind of a thing you can actually do there, man. If he started going down, did I get the buff or not? I don't even know how to look for it on my bar. I wasn't two-handed, guys. I wasn't two-handed. That one I went for because I thought it would make him tired. I should have at least got a whack off. I'm like, you're just gonna run up and get hurt. That was dumb. I don't understand. Usually when you get hit by the first one, you just roll and you dodge the second one. I was actually happy that he was doing those at that time because I'm like, well, now I have to roll too, right? So I might get some frames on some of the poopies coming at me. You know, as long as I keep running forward and rolling through the I call them the pizza cutters. He's like throwing pizza pans at you, right? Oh my goodness, guys. Okay, here we go. Second verse. I'm not getting the buffs off fast enough. Oh, yeah. Well, I just have to do better. Let's do this. Let's do this, folks. I got it in me, man. I got it in me. I got a feeling. That was a really good one. That was a really good start, man. But we just had like 2 out of the last 3 Elden Beasts were pretty good. And one of the best, and definitely the best of the night. So that's what we just got to keep doing. That was a jump. He wants to delete me, I think. See what I'm saying, Trey? I don't usually roll that way. I should have switched back. Okay, that wasting pots now. All right, let's get to the beast. I had a drink. I'm not going to get it off. I still don't know if I got my Lord's Divine thing off, guys. I'm just going to cast it. Did I just drink 2 mana pots? I might have. Okay, that cost me. That was a ground slime. I saw it coming, and I got caught. But I think I have my Lord's Divine favor up. We'll see. I do. I just don't have the health pots to recover is a problem. I'm dead. I had room to go around him, to behind him, and I didn't. Well. Alright, guys. This will be one for the books. We're gonna health pots. Warming stone? Anyone? Warming stone? I don't know how to beat that one. Yeah, I rolled way too fast. Yeah. Well. How long have I been doing this? 2 hours? I got a few more pulls in me for sure. We gotta make it happen, though. We gotta make it happen. We gotta do better on the Radagon. And I'm not gonna end the stream. I'm gonna probably play on the Astrologer, guys. Because there's like a warm-up phase, and then there's a improve phase, and then there's a try and stay with it phase, and then there's a you need to move on something else phase. At least for me. You know what I'm saying? Drury, you still here, Ashtray? Looked like there was a nice little spot real close to him on waves of a gold. You can roll into him. Yeah, if I would have been closer. If I would have been closer. I will try that, Billy. That was... I could have probably done better. That's mana for my freaking buffs. Telling you, when he jumps up on me, man, he's... Okay. See how freaking close that was? And I couldn't get behind that. Such a good freaking phase one, man. Those things don't do much damage unless you eat 10 of them. Oh! We almost had phase two. Vocals, both tenor and shrieking echo screams coming from the mountaintops. What does Mizzou play in the Hallig Tree Band? I play the jaw harp. Not really. I wish, though. I love it, man. Echo screams coming from the mountaintops. From the mountaintop of the giants? Guys, I look so red. I look like an Oompa Loompa. It's because of this light. Still look a little bit red. This makes it... Oh, technically, guys, this right here means we actually beat Radagon, guys. We beat Radagon. Now, I'm definitely the drummer. Guys, I'm really feeling parts of this fight, and then I'm just feeling like I'm not. Okay, guys, this is the attempt. I'm gonna rune arc. Because we've been having great pulls, guys. I'm gonna rune arc for this. My question is... Oh, wait. Okay. No question. I have been rune arced. Now we have a ton of health. Now, wait a minute. I also am going to Golden Bow. Lord's Divine Fortification. And Starlight Shard. You like the Starlight Shard, Trey? You know what I'm saying? Just a little bit of help there, buddy. My mana's regenerating slowly. The whole time my mana pot's wearing out, I'll be getting a little bit more. Okay, this is it. Son of a gun. We know it's probably not going to top me up, so it's okay to drink. That's one thing that's good about those things. Okay, guys. I early rolled all of the poopies. It's not because I'm being lazy or anything. I'm just rolling them early. And I rolled that early. Just everything's early. Now, here comes the deletion. There's just not enough warming stones in the universe, guys. There's not enough warming stones in the universe. She's not even 50% yet. And I'm panic rolling. I didn't flash. I knew that was going to hit, man. Just usually do it like that. Of course. Of course, just wait a second until I go to heal. And that was early. Not even close. Yeah. Pledge our heart, Billy. Don't ever let me hear you doubt yourself again. Drew pushing the messages up. Love it, guys. Okay. What happened tonight? We had some really good Radagons. And we had another Elden Beast. What I have to do is start doing this a couple hours every night. Do you know what I'm saying? I've been getting away from this, and we got away from this build. Do you guys think this build kills Radagon? I mean, an Elden Beast. All we got to do is, I got to tighten up Phase 1 a little bit, or get through a RNG one, which happens pretty good, or I do good, right? And then we have to get a RNG, a good RNG Elden Beast while I'm learning how to get better at it. Like that one sweep thing, I needed to try and run into it, man. I need to run into it. You've gotten less than... Yeah, I have. And it was on this build. It was on this build. I've gotten... we could go back. I'll bet you see I was less than probably more near 10%, I think. It's an all-new dance every build. Just learn... the dance and stick with the build. Yeah, Billy, exactly. Caleb, man. Yeah. So that. Oh, and check this out. Equipment. The jump talisman. I used it once. I guess it's better than nothing, right? I could put like I could put the Great Shield Talisman on probably. I would do, out of all the damage I did to the Elden Beast, jump attacks probably were 5% of it. Am I right? Are we doing a set tonight? I don't know, Trey. What do you want to do? Oh man, you gotta swap jump talisman for Shard of Alexander. Oh, because that's a skill, huh? Or wait, Shard of Alexander? Is that... And this right here is a skill? That's a skill? You're saying that, so you're saying that's a skill? I've got Stormvale Castle ready to go. What, we can lure invaders. What level's your character, Trey? Because, you got me interested. Are you hitting the skill button, or is that a heavy attack? That, I believe, is the skill. That's the skill. That's like the ash on the built into the weapon or whatever. Right? It's the same character I've been running. And Stormvale Castle, isn't that... Yeah, I'm not jump attack. The same character you've been running and you haven't done Stormvale Castle yet? I mean... Oh, it's NG plus. Okay. Okay. So I'm thinking just bring the bonks. I'm bringing the bonks. You know why? Because in case we get some PvP action. So where do I go? Equipmentorio. Remove. Needless to say, Reichert is dead. We got to find the second big bonk folk and get it, folks, and get it equipped as soon as possible. There we go. Plus 25, plus 25. I never leveled that hammer. I never leveled that hammer. That hammer was level 1, guys. $1,831,000. I really should just go do a couple of swipes. The hammer that I tried at the beginning, it was level 1. It was level 1, guys. And I'm like, why is the hammer not doing any damage? No! And then I spec'd into that and respec'd back out of it. Screw it. Malekith's blade is doing fine. No weapon is going to melt him. That ash on the blade is doing good damage. Now with that Shard of Alexander, might even do a little bit better. And I also can switch out of jump feathers on that character to a little thing called dung poopy coat. And that is going to give me more holy damage negation. So, did Trey say what grace we're looking at here? Because I've got them all, folks. I've got them all. He said he has Stormvale Castle ready. That tells me possibly over here, guys, somewhere near Stormvale Castle, like main gate. Yeah. Caleb says, I got a bonus check for my job. Might not wait for Elden Ring sale. Might just jump on it now when I get home. You know what, man? You think it's going to go on sale? Guys, I gotta squirrel up, guys. But I've been really good, guys. We streamed for 2 hour 13 minute. It's Thursday night, man. Courtney's at the freaking bar. I'm over here freaking working, man. I still feel like I'm too bright, guys. But these are turned down. Let me turn down one. That feels a little bit better. I still feel washed, man. I hate feeling washed. Oh, yeah. Nice job on the bonus. Yeah, congratulations, Caleb. You earned it, man. Now, wait 1 second. I didn't squirrel up. 1 second. I got the wrong flavor of squirrel is what happened. I just grabbed it. Exalted Flesh. Let's switch and put the ever happily dirty finger in that slot. And let's go ahead and put our dirty finger down. They're probably already fighting an invader. You may summons me. Yeah, congratulations, Caleb. You know, if the price goes down, no. They're shooting me through the freaking door, bro. You're selling me anytime. I'm grabbing loot. I already got the loot. Put down finger. Butthole. I did. My finger's right there. See it? Check my summon sign. Blingarilla. Looks pretty good. Looks... Oh, no, I canceled it. Oh, I'm being summoned to another world, guys. Wait a minute. We need both big bonks out in case we get invaded, guys. We get invaded, and I don't have both hammers out. Someone might get lucky. If I get one of these suckers rock and rolled, or R&R as I like to call it. Why so freaking bright? Defeat the area boss, they said. Get into the warming stone. So you're saying I should have ran after them so I didn't get shot by the archers? So you're saying I should have helped you guys? It's okay, I took care of it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, buddy. Eat that. Sister. That guy, like, he tried to juke me, bro. Did you see that? Dude, these things are so hard to aim, bro. If you don't target... If you don't target... They're hard to aim. Did Trey already pull the boss? I think Trey might have pulled the boss. We're warming stoning. Dude. Trey, we have a warming stone if you want to join in. Jacuzzi? Well, it's currently $47 on Steam Keys. He didn't know it was going to happen. He didn't know the bonk was going to happen, guys. He didn't know the bonk was here, guys. Yeah, Eat that lion, boy. Did anyone need a warming stone? I gotta put the warming... I love the meme of the warming stone. I just love the meme of the warming stone. I gotta put one in my toolbar. 47 bucks is pretty good, man. You don't think... Like, Elden Ring's not gonna... Elden Ring 1 may... Where's... You're missing the warming stone. Oh, he's already healed up. Elden Ring may one day sell for 20 bucks. But I'll tell you right now, I don't think that's anywhere in the near future. You know what I'm saying? A lot of AAA titles, like games of the year, do they go down to 20 bucks? I don't think they do. Whoa. They got a beat on me, bro. They got a beat on me. I missed my jump. That's why I just like to come this way. What's up? I hate when I jump too far, especially when I say what's up and then I jump too far. I got the gate, guys. You guys just go ahead and play with the archers. These guys are the real enemies. There we go. I ran into the fire. I'm the guy that runs into the fire. Get bonked, bro. Oh, you got a sister. Your sister backs you up, too. I think that's really sweet of her. That's why I had to take her out, bro. I told you to take the guy out with the freaking... I'm already behind him, guys. I already flanked him. You guys are still up by the gate. What's going on? I expect more from that, didn't you guys? I got them both with one shot, though. Did you see it? That was pretty cool. We haven't gotten invaded yet. Did you put down the dirty tongue? Trey, did you put down the dirty tongue? I suggest you put down the dirty, dirty tongue. I want him, guys. And I'm going to talk about the rot dog either. Oh, he's so lucky. You're so lucky. There you go, buddy. Get bonked. The dog is a ninja. That guy, no chance. Be cool if we get invaded, man. I doubt it may have a Game of the Year edition, but it won't be until after DLC because it will come with the game, right? To answer your question, Charlie, I think it might go on sale when DLC drops to promote the game. You think? But on sale. Like you said, what? I mean, if you can get it for 47 now. We did get invaded, but he left. It was like, F this. He saw the way we were just like running around with reckless abandon, just destroying everything. Trey, would you like a warming stone? Item crafting. Can I make warming stones? I can make flame of frenzy stones. Where the hell do you get the warming stone? How come I don't have that? Where do you get the crafting kit for the warming stone? Now, I mean, I have some in stock, guys, but I still feel like a hobo. I feel like a leecher. Taking out the birdies. You love to see it. It's okay, I took care of it. See if you get the range. I got the guy on the ground. He's done. He doesn't exist anymore at this school. I got the bird too. It's okay. I took care of it. You gonna talk to Nepal? No. What happened? You had a drink?
Hey!
Oh my god, we got invaded. We got invaded, guys. I got him, guys. Yeah. I knocked him to 40%. You better run, dude. Guys, I'm in hot pursuit. You gotta stay on them, guys, because these rats will freaking go heal and stuff. I just cost him his health pot. I cost him his health pot, folks. He's running like a little baby. This guy has no chance. He has no chance. He healed up, though. Don't ever go up against a wall, against a big bonk build, buddy. This guy is so... Whoa, he killed me! I love it! I mean... He got lucky, bro. But that was kind of fun. So where do you want me to go now? God... Margit's Grace. Across the Margit Grace. Dude, that guy blood lost me, bro. Trey or Drew, do you know if the CD keys work with Steam? That sounds like a shady thing. cdkeys.com. Caleb, you know what I'm saying? Lift side chamber, they said. I ain't never bought nothing from anybody called cdkeys.com. I mean, I bought some speakers off the back of a truck from a guy named Rico one time. But not secluded cell. So you guys came all the way back here? Okay. That's what you told me. I'm pretty sure they had to. I'm pretty sure they do. I'm not 100% sure how it works. Yeah, I don't know. If money matters, I just buy the game from Steam. You know, the multi-billion-dollar company. I bought speakers from the back of a van as well. Yeah, but was the guy's name Rico? Hey, man, my name's Rico. I get these speakers. They're in the back of my truck. You want to buy them? I'm like, yeah. Yeah, actually I do. I'll tell you one thing. I'm not that guy that likes to buy merchandise that may or not be questionable. I stay away from it. I don't want nothing to do with it. And I don't want to do business with the kind of people that have that kind of merchandise. Yeah. Yeah, when I got these speakers, Rico seemed cool. I'm just saying. Rico seemed cool. And I'm like, look, you know, we're doing business on a tailgate here, but by the same token, Rico seems like a cool guy, you know? He seems like a nice man. He was a nice man. There's loot back here. Sorry. Oh, this guy's gotta go. Oh man. Did you get your loot, Trey? I didn't even target that fool. You know, the first thing that made me wonder about Rico was when he said he needed cash. I'm like, cash? I got it, guys. He got away. I'm like, what do you need cash for, Rico? Why can't I just pay with a credit card? Like everybody else. And Rico, I don't know. I don't remember what he told me, but whatever he said, I believed him. It seemed pretty legit. I've never run up this way before. Actually, I think I've gone this way once. Warming stone? I don't need it. I was like, oh, seems legit. Rico, it was Rico's cousin. That was like the biggest overkill of two birds I've ever seen in my life. Oh, one of them was a person. I took the bird, guys. It's not Charlie. I bought PSN cards from them. Okay, yeah. See, I don't know about that. I would be wary, but I'm also... Whoa. I'm just gonna go and run to the boss. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the boss. Because, oh my god, I have almost 2 million runes, guys. I have almost a level. Wait, equipment. What can I switch? This, I can switch. I want to put the golden scarab on, guys. I want the golden scarab. While we're doing this, I might as well get paid for my skills.
Mighty
The big bunker's doing work, guys.
You
just get paid.
Air.
Gonna try when I get home. Cool. I would Google it, Caleb. I'd Google it, and I wouldn't click on anything that said sponsored. I would go to, if there's the top Reddit answers, I might read them. I might look at a few different things. But you already know about this company, so it's a thing, right? 100% legit. Okay, good. But if it's 100% legit, why are we asking if it worked with, does it work with, oh, with Steam? Okay. You were just asking if it works with Steam. If it doesn't work with Steam, what does it works with something else? You can still play the game, but you want to be on Steam. Is that what you're saying?
I am the Lord.
Trey is letting the entire,
Golden.
I think he is, the entire cutscene play, folks. I flashed up. He's probably already dead. Get out of here, dude. I'm level 993. Yeah, you better come after me first, but guess what, buddy? You're getting bonked. Bonk him before he rips his arm off! Before he rips his arm off! Yeah, no chance. Trey got the nuke off. The bonks. Oh, God. I didn't have time to run close to him, guys. Now I'm taking damn over here. You guys were smart. Oh, he's dead. He's dead. I'm just going to stand here and look good. I'm just going to stand here and look good for the God Rick the Grafted. Yeah, I'm just... Guys, I was going to help. Hey! Hey! I just want to stand here and look good because these guys, they were hogging all the kills, man. You know, sometimes if you don't hog all the kills, that'd be great. Next, Grace. Second, Grace. Same as the first. Do I get a rune arc for that? I should be doing this with the Snow Witch. Right? For the rune arcs. Except it's no fun. Trey, did you put down the dirty tongue, bro? I have this weird feeling you did not put down the dirty tongue. Sorry. Just saying. We didn't get invaded, bro. I hope you get it, Caleb. You know the game very well. Stormvale Castle. Secluded Cell. That's already done. Okay, so why was I at this Grace then? Oh, no. This is where I want to be. So, yeah. Secluded Cell, right? What do now? Next boss, right? Which Grace? Or just... You want to meet me at, where do I go? We are done in this area. Why don't you want to take out the God freak guy? Do you guys want to do my, I only have 196,000 runes. Do you guys want to do my, no, 1.96 million runes. Do you guys want to do my astrologer, like, I promise I'll take the runes and level up. Yeah, right. No, I got you, Caleb. Yeah. Right. Renala sounds great to Drew. Well, then, you know what? Let us log the astrologer. And his name is easy to remember because it's spelled with a Z. A-Z astrologer. We're going there. And I'm going to get my Renala. I have to make the journey. So you can help. You don't have another character? Just log on to your freaking, your Morningstar build, Trey. Or just log on to your, your Big Bonk build. Or log on to your what about your Lightning character build? Surely someone can go there. Yeah, 1000%. Yeah, no. I am waiting for Trey to try and get there. But I don't understand why we didn't kill Godfrey or Godric or whatever his freaking name is. Oh, that was him. Was that him? Oh, so what do we do? Low game. That was Big Bonk scenario, guys. I'm sorry, but I think I want to bring the Snow Witch. Because I want Rune Arcs. You tell us what grace, Trey, and we're going to be there. Whatever you want to do. And then once we get to my Renala, we'll break the game. We'll resummon. Don't worry, I won't look this goofy when I show up for my gig. Okay, I will take off equipment Thorio. Remove that. There we go. Now we just look like a freaking Snow Witch in Dung Eater clothing. That's embarrassing, but you know what? Whatever gets you through the night. It's alright. It's alright. His status is number... Oh, Astrologer. Astrologer hasn't gotten... Oh, Astrologer. He's low level. He's too low level to go to carry a manor. I think he's level like 37 or something. That's why I said, like, I promise I'll take the runes and level up. You know? Yeah, I'll help with my Snow Witch in case we kill a boss for Trey. That way I can maybe I can scam me one of them rune arcs, man. You know what I mean? Because I need it for the Elden Beast, because he's being a freaking bung. He's being a bung, baby. He's right. Let me look at this and see if I still look bright. Why? How? I streamed all day. Maybe when you put the backlight, oh, okay, the backlight does calm it down. Okay, so I guess I have to keep the backlight, guys. Isn't that weird? You put the back, but now I look like an Oompa Loompa, but that's okay. Back when I used CD keys, I got a 12-month plus membership for $32 when PlayStation 59. Otherwise, I can keep riding. On my way, Trey. Did Trey say where? Lakeshore. Lakeshore, thank you. Yes, I'll be there. Lakeshore coming, man. Sorry that I'm late to the party, man. Lakeshore. Lake facing cliffs. Lakeshore. Lakeshore. Where's Lakeshore, guys? There's a... Linernia, Lakeshore. I guess I don't have that grace. You guys can move further north, I guess, and grab a grace or something. I'm not sure what to... Wow, I think I know the one you're talking about. It's the one with the merchant, right? I don't have that grace? How do I not have that grace, guys? This is the beginning. Did I never look in there? No, there's no loot in there. Can't see game. You ain't missing much. You ain't missing much, folks. But I'll tell you this, I look way better. Even though I look like a oompa, don't-body-do. I'm on the way, man. If you guys want to run to the next grace, I'm cool. But I'll be there in a second. I don't have that grace. Can you believe that? Now, wait a minute, though. This is my Snow Witch. This is NG plus 8, and I don't have this grace. Guys, NG plus 8. Watch this. Oh, no. That's just on this playthrough, though. That's just on this playthrough. Sorry, man. Yeah. I'm like, wait a minute. After all the playthroughs... you're summoning me, so let's switch this to the dirty finger. There we go. Put it down. We got it now. I'm here. Summon me. Summon me as a co-operator. think it's gonna happen? Someone's gonna summon me to their world. What if I get invaded? Should I kill this guy right now? I'm right near the grace. Check my summon sign. Lernish Lake Shore, Southern Lernia. Yeah. Guys, I didn't have that grace on this character. I ran past it. I ran right past it to the old boiled prawn shack to talk to that little freaking bald-headed pumpkin pie haircutted freak. He probably is. Trey. Actually, Carry a Manor, man. Carry a Manor might be a better move. But if we can meet at this lakeshore we just spoke of, which, by the way, memorize spell. Hey, they always take their time to memorize spells, right, guys? There's a spell I want to memorize, guys. It's called the Freezing Tornado Storm. It's a good one. It's a goodie. Okay, so what do? Cancel summon sign. You're at that grace you spoke of. Trey, you're at Linernia Lakeshore. Okay, dirty finger going down. I just put mine down a little different spot. You found who? You found me? No, yeah, that's because I canceled mine. I put it near where it was. I wish I could watch your stream and say, like, no, on the other side of the grace. We've got this, folks. We are going to do some serious melting. Trey, have you been putting down the dirty tongue, Trey? Because we have not gotten invaded yet. Is Trey listening? Dirty tongue, Trey. Okay. Where'd they go? Summon failed. Oh, we did get... Yeah, I missed it. The guy bailed. Oh, wait, no, it didn't fail. Here we go. Cool. We're in. We're in like Flynn, guys. I get the... Oh, we are... Oh, man. I want to get invaded so bad. I want to do my Zamor Ice Storm. Oh, this freaking guy. Okay, well, that cost me a few shots of mana, but just put it back on. I have, and we didn't want to remember. Nice. Yeah, you're right. I forgot. Drew over here is sweeping the street, folks. Let's get the street sweeper. I can't one-shot these fools. But I can make them weak. I can set them up and... Whoa! Okay. Alright. We're street sweeping, folks. Whatever gets you through the night. Oh, there's one. What's up, buddy? Oh, this guy wants something. He didn't come to impress, guys. What? We got invaded? I have to drink mana. I'm gonna flank his butt. It's okay, Trey. I took care of it. It was close. Oh, that was Drew. That was Drew. Dirty Finger. Levesque has died. John Elden Ring is that guy's name, and he died. Oof, getting rusty in the hands. So what do we do now? Alaska Ruins. Love it, love it, love it. It's over here somewhere. Dude, I never... Is there like a mod that makes it really big on your screen when you get invaded? Like the whole screen shakes and it turns red and like you're... Something bad happens. That would be great. Whatever gets you through the night. It's alright, alright. I would tell all y'all After Darkers what happened to my freaking day-to-day crazy stuff that happened. But I think most of you guys already heard it. I think most of you guys were here, but I'll tell you something, man. It was weird, guys. It's freaking weird. Are we getting invaded again when I was AFK? Is that always taking the high ground? It is. Okay, that's why we can't summon Drew? Fair enough. I'm all buffed up, no place to go. I thought we got invaded, man. the way Trey went upstairs. It's okay, I took care of it. Whoa, the sister is here. And she's mad. She's mad. Ooh. We get a warming stone. That'd be great. The thing hit me with its poopies. These things are gnarly, man. They're little snipers. They're poopy snipers. If I get a starlight shard, that'd be great. I'm just kidding. You didn't rewatch. Well, I'll tell you. This morning I woke up and I realized why we're not getting alerts on YouTube. And if you don't subscribe, if you're not a sub on YouTube and you want to, now would be a great time so I can see the alert work. It's one sub. You can even unsub when you're done. I don't even care. But I would love to see the alert work. I'm not hustling one sub. So I was logged in on Restream on my other YouTube account, the wrong account. So when anyone subbed on this page, there was no alert. Having no alerts as a streamer is like destined to death. It's like the best thing in the world about streaming. The best thing you can do is get them alerts up and running. You know what I'm saying? And so we weren't getting the alerts. So I had to switch. No problem. Switch my YouTube channel on Restream. Guess what? On Streamlabs. Guess what happened? It logged me out of Streamlabs, an account I paid $20 a month for. It logged me out, and it created a new account. I couldn't get back in. I have all kinds of rewards. I have enough like rewards to like get like free hoodies and free stuff. All it's gone. I can't log in. You know why? Because I log in with Facebook. So I log in with Facebook, and it puts me on this new blank account. Swear to God. So now I'm paying $20 a month. I mean, only as of today. I'm paying $20 a month for something that I'm not using because I have the newbie account, and all my alerts got reset and everything. All my alerts got reset. So I just had to start almost from scratch. That's very stressful. So I'm doing that, trying to figure it out. And then I hear a car door close. We get invaded? Oh no. I hear a car door close. I'm like, what's that car door? Because, you know, I told you the deal, right? Ain't no people hanging out at my house. I'm putting a poopy on him. He didn't last, guys. So I hear a car door, and I'm like, what's that car door? And then I hear someone messing with my door. I'm like, it's got to be Courtney. I walk up, I open the door. It's not Courtney. It's a guy that I think I recognize. And the minute I open my door, he starts walking in. It's not like my dad, my brother. My landlord would never just walk in. My best friends would never come to my house and just walk in. This guy was almost pushing past me, and I'm like, I don't even know who he is. Swear to God. So I put my hand up and go, whoa, 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 whoa. And I said, don't come in. And I pushed him outside, and I closed the door, and I'm like, what's going on? He starts talking on the phone. He was looking for somebody. He starts talking on the phone, but it's like he thought this was the address, but it wasn't. He couldn't find what he wanted at the Google address on the maps. And so when they said white truck, he came here because it's right close. And he thought this is where this girl he was looking for was. Yeah. And at first I thought I knew who he was. And so I was very calm because even though he tried to he almost didn't look at me. He would look like past me and started like walking into my house. And I go, whoa, 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 whoa. Don't come in. Don't come in. Come on. We would go on the porch and I closed the door and I'm like, what's up? Because I thought he was someone else. But then I'm like, he looks so familiar. Later on, I realized who he is. And he's a guy from the bar that we played pool one time. I was dominating the bar, destroying everyone at pool because I was the best pool player there at the time. And this kid gets up and just melts me, man. Right? And we laughed. We had so much freaking fun. And we kind of connected. He's had, he's a young man. Adrenaline. Girls. He's had some issues. Not really issues, but, he's had some situations, right? But he and we just get along. He's a good kid. I mean, I say he's a good kid. Me and him have got no problems, is what I mean to say. And so, but I didn't know that was him. Oh my God, I got a freaking, whoa, these things are freaking serious, bro. So, he was looking for some girl, but it's like, they told me to come here. They said that's her white truck. I said, that's my truck. And then he left. And it was just a little bit weird, man. It was a little bit weird. So we just got invaded again, and the guy didn't want to play. Did he know I'm almost out of mana? Yeah, it was crazy, huh? Whoa. It reminded me of the time. Have you ever had anyone that you don't know try and force their way into your house through your front door? Second time. Second time for me. Now, he didn't really try and force himself, but here's what I think happened. He was looking for a girl, like maybe a girlfriend or a girl, whatever girl he was looking for. I just keep like drinking, man, I guess. And he thought she was here. And he thought that was her truck in front of my house. And so I opened the door and he just went walking in. Drew, there's a boss here. I'm almost out of mana. If you could help, that'd be great. Get lit. So it was just still weird, but like I say, the guy, I don't know what he's got going on in his life. I'll tell you this. He wasn't even disrespectful to me. He never like got like in my grill or anything, but it was just very, 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 very weird. And I'm sure you would agree. So yeah. I've had some dude high on something try to get in my apartment. Handy some piece of bed frame. Handley had some piece of bed frame in his hand. Tried to get in when I was getting home from the bar. You walked up and saw your front door with the guy trying to break in? Are you serious? Caleb says I'll try and see if it does. So Oh, he followed you home and you went in, and then he, as you were in the house, he tried to break into your freaking house with a piece of a bed frame as a tool. It's like you couldn't even go to Costco or like Home Depot and like buy a reasonable breaking and entering tool. Caleb boy just subscribed. Caleb, you nailed it. Caleb, thank you. See that? There we go, guys. Now I gotta change it and make it cooler. But really, I want all my old alerts back, and then I'll modify them from there. I'll start making custom alerts for YouTube. Thank you. So if someone subs, guys, we get an alert now. Yeah, thank you, Caleb. You're a beast. What happened to Drew? It's like he didn't make it. Oh, he's way back there. I see him. So someone... Oh, God. This is bad. This is bad. Is that poopy flower? Okay, we survived. Drew's behind us. You didn't see an alert? Did anyone else... Did anyone else see the alert, guys? I saw it on my screen. And whatever goes on my screen... We got invaded or what? I'm almost out of mana. I just Starlight Sharded, guys. I just Starlight Sharded my pants. Did anyone see the alert where it said Drew just subscribed and it had like the little Streamlabs alert in the middle of the screen? It went ding, ding, ding and made a little noise. I saw it. Whatever I see on my screen goes there. You know what I mean? Like I can literally come over here and like wiggle this around. You see that? See me wiggling my head around? Whatever happens on that screen should be what you see, man. Charlie, do you want to reset and meet here at Temple Court of Grace after invasion? Yeah, do you want to reset and meet here? Reset and meet here. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, just... Yeah, how do I leave? Sent home by Host of Fingers. You guys got to teach me how to, like... At Temple Court of Grace. Trey's so nice. Trey knows I'm like, what grace is that? I don't even know. Charlie? We can reset and meet back right here at Temple Court of Grace where we are right now, where I know you don't know the name of the grace. Yeah, thank you, Trey. That was freaking awesome. He's still here. I can't rest. Yum. Who wants lobster? I don't have Temple Quarter. Oh, you can run quick, man. Trey's still stuck. You can run from Fallen Ruins of the Lake. You can run from South Lucaria Gate. You see him. Hurry, boys. You got to take him yourself, dude. Like, did you summon us or something? I don't even know where we were. Oh, hurry, put our fingers down. Okay, I put my dirty finger down, Trey. Good luck. Good luck. Get me in. Put me in, coach. I was a little slow. I bet. I'm over here in the lily pads. He saw me and quit. Serious? Dude, that is sick, bro. That's pretty sick. We got the reset. I'm gonna get summoned. It's amazing because he had his best chance of getting something out of that by 1v1ing you, bro. And instead, because me and Drew weren't there, right? And instead he leaves. It's like, what if he came in right now and saw like 3 of us? Sign is down. We need water, folks. Perfecto. Invaded again. Okay. This is him. I took care of it. Drew, what are you doing? You're slacking, bro. I didn't even flask, bro. I didn't even flask. Summon me, says Drew. Summon me, says Drew. Drew wanted in, man. Drew, you did just miss him. The loosened jar of his death. All I did was buff Charlie. Did you buff me? Thank you, man. You're a good friend. Is there a poopy dragon? I think I'm just going to run in and Zaymor Ice Storm this fool. I don't even care. You guys might have to kill him yourself. I don't even care. Well, I might Golden Bow first. Golden Bow again for the friends. Lord's Divine Fortification. Probably just shut all your buffs off. Sorry, guys. I was having fun. Who died? Who died? Was that an invader? Guys, I want to take the dragon out. Okay, he's going to make him weak to poopies. That is going to help me. Zaymor Ice Storm and the actual poopies. Okay, now he's starting to piss me off. You can't hurt me. I'm already dead. Okay, whatever. We'll drink. We'll drink for the meme, but I really don't like it. He's lucky I didn't mount up. Nice dodge over there. Yeah, yeah. He's on me, guys. I got him. I'm going in and ice storming on his butt. It's doing some damage. Okay, now I'm gonna straight ice crag your butt because you kind of pissed me off. Right in your head, by the way. Right in your head, no less. With your own weapon, no less. Yeah, you're lucky. You're lucky I'm not like level 12. Okay, buddy? I took care of it, guys. Full health and full mana, by the way, guys. Full health and full mana. That was the same invader. Y'all both got a kill on him. I seen the alert, but it was a delay of 7 minutes. Huh. Interesting. Hey, you know what? I'll take a 7-minute delay over no alert at all, right, Caleb? We're working on it, folks. Same grace, second grace, same as the first. Is there like a place that's known for PvP where we can just go there and put down the dirty tongue and just like get invaded? Academy Gate it is, folks. You guys know all the shortcuts. I don't have Academy Gate. I have South Raya-Lucaria Gate. I have South Raya-Lucaria Gate. Cool with that one? If not, I can run. I can run, bro. I ain't scared. You can mount up. I have this one for sure. Because I did the Rune Bear. Wait, no, don't start playing around on your horse. Get off your horse. Get off your high horse. Put your dirty finger down for the team. Linernia typically has high invader. I don't think we can go through the seal. Okay, well, let's try it. Let's get over here, and he'll have to go to the next grace, which will be a little grace called Debate Parlor. Okay. I want you guys, Drew and Trey, I want you guys to meet my girlfriend. She's really sweet. She has a lot of style. She has a really cool hat. She wears flowing garb. But she coddles a pumpkin. It's a little creepy. So don't if you don't mention anything about the pumpkin, that'd be great. Main gate. Okay. Horsey. I'm running back to the main gate, folks. How did I not get the grace at the main gate? Main gate's further back, right? I'm going the right way. Hey, Cat! How you doing, Cat? What's up? We just spoke about my weird day again today. Whoa, whoa. This is not where I want to go. I bet I can still get down here, though. Well. Okay, that's gonna cost me. Oh, God, guys. My runes. Remember I had 2 million runes? Yeah, they're gone. They're gone. They're gone. Oh, they were in the other character. What? So go through the blue poopy door? Okay. I can do that. Whatever gets you through the night. It's alright. It's alright. Now, owning all keys, I should be able to go through, right? Okay. Main Academy Gate is an invader spot. Oh, yes! Yes! You gotta get ready to put the poopy down now. Okay, I'm gonna put the poopy down right here. Dirty finger. We should just hang. You guys want to just hang out here for like next 24 hours in PvP? I mean, I don't have no big bonk, but I could Zim or Ice Storm. Let me see what. Yeah, this is wrong. This is so wrong for the Snow Witch, guys. I want. Half of these things are for Elden Beast. The other half. Oh wait, should I switch to Big Bonker? Yeah, I kind of want to leave this guy as he is. Oh, but you guys were going to help me do my Ranalala, right? Well, duelist spot. Not sure if invaders come here. Been a while. I like the quicker frost build up between us, Charlie. Well, there we go. What is this painting of freaking? I'm like, there's a painting of Jim Morrison right here. What is it? What does it mean? No! Sorry. You have been invaded. You have been... I try to jump over it. I should not try to get fancy. I will not try and get fancy again ever more in multiplayer scenarios. Coming back down. I like the quicker frost build up. Cool, cool, cool. Cat is here. Cat, we are goofing around. I think we originally were going to start doing a Myra Nala on my astrologer. But we're getting Trey there, too. And then, although, wait. I think my astrologer's not even... My astrologer's a little bit more Raya... not Raya. What's it called? Kyria Manor. It's okay, guys. I took care of it. I took care of it. He's doing the seppuku, guys. What's up, buddy? Okay. I'm doing like Trey, like what Trey does. I'm showing Trey where the grace is. He always like shows me the loot and stuff. You know what I mean? There you go. How's it feel, Trey? You like it? It's cool, huh? Thank you, Trey. Whoa. I freaking love it. Oh, these guys are a little different level than the other place. Okay, guys, I'm going forward to pull the boss. I'm gonna go get transported to Volcano Manor. Trey's gonna be like, no, you can't do that. Well, you know what? I'll kill your Riker and you won't get no loot. How's that? You won't get no rooms, man. I'm pulling Riker right now. I'm going in the Twin Virgin or the Virgin Abductor. How's it feel? What are they doing back there? Will I get kicked from the world, guys, by going too far? Is there a boss up here? There's nothing else to do here, right? Except what I'm doing. Killing your boss, Trey. I'm killing your boss, Trey. He just did some gravity spells. I'm gonna try and stay alive till Trey shows up to kill his own boss. Trey, there you go. Drew killed it. Trey, where's Trey? Trey was supposed to kill it. Trey, I left the boss one shot for you, man. Oh, the dog's on you, bro. The dog is not okay. That was hilarious, man. I waited, man. Yeah, we're gonna go up. Elevator time. Line jump, bro. Drew's pulling the next boss. I like frost buildup. We got that. Cool. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess, we play Elden Ring after dark. I usually take care of everything, it appears. We are going to see a red dog. Okay, now. How you guys want to do this? Yeah. Kick me out. How do I leave? I need, I need pots for the orange dog. How do you get out of here? Multiplayer. I don't even know how to leave, though. He knows how to kick me out faster than I know how to quit. Maybe you know this cat. CD key work with Steam. She might. Oh yeah, I don't have that grace. Wait, maybe I do. Oh, I do. What grace was that again? What was the name of that Grace again? Schoolhouse. Okay, cool. Trey, I'm gonna put my finger down in case you have a chance. Schoolhouse classroom, right? I'm putting the dirty down. If you could summon me, I'm in that room, Trey. It's nice and dark. I'm probably glowing. Trey can do this, man. That's awesome. Kat said that, yes, yeah, that's how I bought my Elden ring. What is CD Key? How could they sell the game cheaper than other scenarios, guys? Also, why am I standing here and I'm looking at my YouTube studio stream and it's like way behind and it says excellent connection? So weird, guys. I think I might have gotten summoned. Alright, guys. From here, we're going to run to the Orange Dog. Okay? Orange Dog. Going to be kind of hard to hit with the Glintstone Ice Crag. That's why I'm thinking run up and Zaymore Ice Storm him like a freaking psycho. High invader area, that's what we're looking for. I don't know, Charlie, what their secret is. Yeah. Burger King! Double Whopper for you. Double Whopper for you. Now, guys, this room here is a little bit hairier, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull it. I seem to remember this from being weird. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's what was weird. This is what's weird, guys. Watch out for the poopies. Are you allowed to, like, make your name Bloody Finger in the game? I've never killed that mob before in my life. Ever. What's up, sweetie? Now, go ahead and shoot at me. My friends are going to kill you. Burger King is on the stairwell, folks. Equipment Oreo. I'm bringing up Malekith's blade, folks, because I got no men. I got no men. So what do? You straight Malekith's blade it, man. I would. He looks like he's bored. He looks like he's waiting. Oh, you're waiting for a warming stone? How's everyone doing on warming stones? I guess no warming stones. Well, that hurt a little bit, but not much. I think I might have hit him right there by accident. I'm still doing jump spells, guys. I'm like way too tanky for him to hurt me. I mean, he hurts me. He wants me so bad because he knows I'm so evil. I'm gonna get one. Well, I got my ash off, but it didn't kill him. That was telling Charlie. 12 members of the Clark's place. It was with 999. This is a few years ago. No, I didn't know. No, Caleb, here's what I wondered about. When you were talking about getting Elden Ring today at a discount online, that's what I was like, is that a thing? I don't know. I don't know that. Charlie, you could use that blade for I will. Debate parlor. Yeah, it was the you understand, Caleb? It wasn't the membership. It was when you told me that you can get Elden Ring for this discount price, and I'm like, huh. Why can't I use my... Well, I don't think I can... Out of hallway to summoning pool. Is that before or after? I bet it's out of hall this way, right? Yeah, like before the boss. Coming, running. Whoa. We got a full Burger King scenario right here, guys. I went out of hallway. There is a Burger King right there, though. You said out of hallway. That's a hallway. This is a hallway too, but I just thought it would be I thought it would be before the boss, not after the boss. My mistake. That's cool, Caleb. Are you still getting Elden Ring on PC today? I hope he does. Got you. I hope he does, man. We gotta get Caleb involved, folks. He's already involved. We gotta get him to be like an Elden Ring freaking aficionado like we all are. Yeah. Thank you, guys. For some reason, I thought it would be before the boss. Right? I mean, I don't know why the summoning pool would be before the boss. That would be stupid. Sticky Spectre says secret wall areas. There's no secret walls here. Actually, I feel like there's secret poopies. Like over here to the left. Over in that corner somewhere. Dude, I am so neutered right now with this thing. But we have some... I think I shouldn't keep casting Lord's Divine Fortification, guys. It'd be better if I didn't. Oh, I put the poopies down. You see me put the poopies down? All near the boss dog. Caleb says I'll be starting from zero. You mean before the boss dog? Like up the ladder or whatever? Like, yeah. Before the boss dog. And then you go up a ladder. Everyone get freaking Malekith, alright? There we go. I just Malekith all those fools. Give me that freaking loot, bro. There's a trinket in here. Trey, I know you need it. Take it. You know you want it. What is that loot right there? I remember there's loot. You go this way to open the secret. You could open it from the other way, though, right? Can I jump off of here? Guys, there's a... Oh my god. Slow down. So you can. I'm gonna freaking full freaking send right now. Hey! What's up, sweets? You can't hurt me. I'm level 419, bruh. Get Malekith. Yeah, man. You get that. You get that. That bonus, man. I don't usually go down here. What is this? I killed her through the door, folks. I killed her through the door, man. Does that even count? I think there's like a glove ward over here or something. Get Malakat. He got Malakat, folks. Wait, there's parkour for sure. For miles. I saw miles and miles of parkour. All the stars up in the sky. Miles and miles of parkour. Gonna live here till I die. Caleb's gonna get in the game, man. Okay, someone just fell off the edge of the world, I think. No? Am I going to? Almost. You guys want to kill a ball? I've told Charlie this game more fun together than solo playing. It can be a lot more fun together, but I'll tell you this. This game is also very fun. What happened? Did Trey die? I'm like, what happened? You fell off the bridge? So that was me and Drew. So what are we looking at here? Where you want me, bro? Debate parlor? I'll start there. You tell me if you want something different. Outside the hallway, after the boss. Rip, bro. Dirty finger down in the same last place. Now we can just run up the ball, though. We don't have to kill out stuff. Same spot, second verse, same as the first. It's only 11:26, folks. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. Guys, I have a gig tomorrow night. I have not been playing guitar, guys. I should be practicing or like warming up or something, right? I should be, man. But you know what? You ever like not play pool for 4 years and then you go somewhere and there's a pool table and like you just destroy, you shoot like God your first game? And the reason why is because you haven't played pool in so long and it's fun. And you want to play pool. And you're just enjoying it and you're loose. There's no pressure. You haven't played in a long time. Whoa. And so, I don't know what happened there. Did you get invaded or something? So music can be the same way, man. If you don't play guitar for too long, it's better to like rehearse and be prepared. It really is. I'm not saying be lazy. But I'll tell you this. If you haven't played for a little bit, you come in hungry, sometimes you play pretty good. 13 death words. I gotta drop once we beat Renala twice. Cat should hop on after me if you have time. Ooh, sounds like a plan. So, never mind, he kicked me. Put your sign down right before the Mage Knight. Yes, sir. Is that what it's called? The Mage Knight? Let me cancel this one. So you're saying run past the huge black ball? It's very intimidating, guys. It's a big, actually biggest black ball I've ever seen. It's freaking huge, folks. And so when I see it, I get a little bit scared. The Mage Knight. Is he a Mage Knight? Well, if you guys go back, you guys can catch up to me here, right? Unless you want me to pull him. I'm going to do it like right inside the door so it's not to pull the Amigo boss. Right inside the door, baby. I literally, on my NG8 427 or whatever his level is, I have to go like do like 4 or 5 swipes and I get a whole level. I get like 2 million runes on that character, folks. Unless I died and left him somewhere. I don't think I did. I think it's going to be absolutely magical. Okay. Can I golden bow? Oh my god. I put the poopies on him. I took care of it, guys. I took care of it. That guy got freaking melted. Can we respawn him and cheese him off the elevator? That'd be great. Are you going for the librarian boss? Jeff Conley, you are the librarian boss. I actually think Trey is probably doing that solo right now, while Drew and I are over here looking for the big bosses. Love how flails can't be parried. Well, they kind of come in real hard and strong. You know what I mean? Pulling the boss. Go! Did we say I should be golden bowing or no? I'm full ice cragging, guys. And I'm saving my, I'm saving all my physic for 2. I was going to kill the ball and open the short. I was going to say, let's kill the ball. That'd be fun. We should have 3-man the big black ball. Librarian boss is the lady with a little lady's hat who throws books at you. Well, there's these girls, and they have an interesting mouth. Look at their teeth. They're creepy, bro. Who did that? The librarian boss. Okay. I should have kept my melee weapon out for the for phase 1. 1000%. I'm switching back. The invader left, folks. Because now I can whack some heads. Okay, one went left, one went right. I'm going this way. Who's killing? You can't kill all of... There's not enough heads, dude. Do it! That was good. I'm down with that. I color librarian since there's books. That was close, guys. I'm a little bit scared, and she's not spawned. You knew she wanted me, guys. Why would I do that? It's okay, guys. I'm taking care of her. Oh my god, she's killing me. She wants me. Trey's coming with the nuke. I think we crashed the game, guys. Guys, okay, Renala. Guys, that was really close, man. We got some good RNG there. We got some good RNG there, guys. Yeah, that was rough. Is Trey hogging the kills? Trey usually does. I got rune arcs for my boy. Now, if you guys don't mind. Now, here's the thing, guys. I don't think my boy even has the graces. I don't know if you guys want to run through it or not. Because Drew was talking about 2 more Renalalas, but I'm not actually at Renalala. And I don't want to keep you up, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that was a joke. It's like most situations, getting to the boss takes longer than killing the boss. That's pretty much gaming. Okay. Load game. My astrologer, level 39. You guys, we can make it to Renali. Really. Okay, at level 39, you guys are going to have to do most of the work, okay? So let's, I'm going to get my closest grace. Oh, I can, yeah, because I can, like, port close, right? Ish. South Raya Lucaria Gate is my grace, guys. South Raya Lucaria Gate is my grace. Oh, do I have a key? I think I actually do. I do. I already got the key. I must have been working off stream, folks. No, I think I did that on stream. So where then is... Oh, yeah. Yeah. The PvP grace, guys. PvP grace, I'm putting down the dirty scenario. Dude, I only had one, though. I only have one summon thing, guys. I'm sure Trey doesn't mind doing the work. You guys do all the work, and I'll stand there and cheer for you. Exactly, Jeff. Guys, I put it down at the PvP one. This one. I would say the name of it, but I already said it once. You do put on... Oh, okay, thank you. Okay, guys, that is also the password for my bank account and from my Facebook and YouTube, but not my Twitter, but probably my Twitch. Did I fucking... Oh, I just cussed. You can see it? Yeah, I know you can. But you guys were like, it doesn't matter because no one can hurt you. I mean, when you tell me no one can hurt me, my answer is no one can hurt me more than I've already been hurt. You can't kill me. I'm already dead. Yeah. Okay, good. Dude, I got a freaking glintstone arc. That's dumb. Pebble. That might work. Rock sling, baby. Rock sling. I'm rock slinging. Okay, now. I'm probably not very geared. I'm really geared to like, oh, I have a weapon, guys. I have a weapon. Check it out. Short sword +6. Let's get Ranalala. And I promise I will take... Oh! I promise I'll take the runes and level up, guys, because I'm a noob. I'll drop you some pretty... Oh! I like to pick pretty flowers. Stop. I like to pick the pretty flowers. What does he want to do? He's dropping flowers, guys. He's dropping me pretty flowers. Whoa.
Hey!
Erd tree flower times 19. Why so generous? Are we invaded? Are we invaded? Yeah, I think we're invaded. I have no buffs. When I see the invader, I will drink my poopy. I will run away from my team. Are we invaded? Her flowers are sacred. He's up top. We can be wherever he wants. I like to invade the pretty flowers. Now his trick is to jump down here and catch us by surprise. He called the elevator. He's up top. Rock sling is good. Okay, Hayata. Yeah, you got him fooled. No. With that bird cage, we are golden. I give him a hay. I knew it was gonna hit the ground. I got him with a rock sling, folks. Get behind him. They know I'm level 0. So hey! Guys, what did I say about the hard carry? It's a hard carry, folks. Let me lead the way. Dude, this is going to be great, Renala, because I am not leveled for this at all. Okay. They can kill everything. I'm going to grab a grace. The poopies won't come after me. Usually there's like 4 dudes right here. Now there's nobody. Good job. Oh, wait. It's okay. I took care of it, Trey. I took care of it. Okay, now, we don't stop running until Orange Dog-ish. Grace before Orange Dog. Go get him, guys. We are the 3 amigos. Okay, now we have a problem. I can't summon you guys. I went for the meme. I went for the freaking effect, bro. But here's the problem. I don't have any more dirty fingers. How do you... Oh! I can only make 47. Okay, I just made 47, guys. Dirty finger at the last grace. It's called the Grace of the Dirty Finger. Church from the Cuckoo. Let's switch this one. Church from the Cuckoo, guys. Go there. I have 48. So we'll be fine. I won't fall off the bridge again. Charlie, wrong way. Well, we are the 3 amigos. Dude, all my freaking buttons are way too far. Here we go. Summon. I will. I was something co-operator. He looks familiar. Okay. They ran already? So they are not the 3 amigos? I have rooms over here? 3,000? They ran ahead. They're trying to kill the next boss. Okay, now I know what they're doing. They're trying to kill the next boss. This is... Oh, I got grabbed. Really? Okay, let's just heal up, I guess. That was embarrassing. Any grab is... Oh, so you're with me now. All of a sudden. Got you. I got some magic grease. I could drop it. I could drop the magic grease if you need it, man. You almost died, bro. You almost died. I saw it. I saw you almost die. Drew's not okay. Drew, little Grace by the name of Orange Dog. We're getting to Orange Dog, guys. Little Grace by the name... Oh, I can't rest. It's called Schoolhouse Classroom. Poopy's down. There we go. He's ahead of me already. He already knew it, folks. Summon me at next grace. You got the naughty tongue. Oh, I don't have... Do I have one? Equipmentorio. No. Inventorio. I didn't buy a naughty tongue, dude. Should we do that? No. I don't want to keep anybody up. Looks like it's going to fail. Where do you get the naughty tongue? I only have 3K runes, bro. Okay, so we can't get the naughty tongue. Okay, so I'm waiting for his thing to fail. It's free! Try, I can't summon him. Oh, here we go. Trying again. Okay, Trey is going to pull the orange dog before the team can even engage. We'll see what happens, right? I'm staying back. I'm staying with Drew. Trey is a wild card, folks. Trey's a wild card. Drew's a little more solid. We get the band back together, man. God, shh. I'm gonna go pull a boss. If I die, it's gonna suck. Just maybe don't get hit. Now I'm like all serious and stuff. Because I should have never pulled a boss without the boys. You can't hurt me. I'm already hurt. I'm doing big damn, bro. Oh my god, I'm weak. I'm so weak. Remember when I said they were gonna do the hard carry? This is the carry I was talking about, guys. I mean, I wasn't scared. I beat y'all to the boss. What's up? We're not la 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 la. Okay, I know where to summon y'all. Y'all get out of here. Y'all get out of here. I gotta grab a grace. I gotta level up too. Intellect, mind, big. Intellect, mind, and big. Level up. I get 1. Big's 20, mine's 23, int's 29. Let's go to 30. It's a round number. There you have it. Wait, but wait, guys. I know. I hope you're watching the stream because no. Inventorio, guys. You got any big? We have no runes. How could you have no runes? Alright, summoning, putting down the summoning nasty finger right here. There we go. Oh, I'm sorry, man. It was already down. Okay, putting it back again. Resummon, folks. Here we go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Trey or Drew, which way I go? I think that might be Trey? Weizenberg? No, that was Drew. Got him. You have to beat the invader at the round table. It's free! Alright, guys. Follow me. Whoa. After rest, I just wasted a pot. Follow me, guys. This is the way the pros do it. You just run to the boss. I think they're behind me. The huge ball! The huge black ball! It's so intimidating! Ooh! Free loot. Take it. Oh, I needed one of those. Now I have 47. Yours failed? Okay. We can fix that. After me and Drew kill the boss because Drew's didn't fail. Nah, I'm just kidding, man. I guess, Drew, you gotta bail, bro. I don't know how to dump you out, bro. I don't know anything about this game. Ah! Hey, no, Drew, stay! We got invaded! We got invaded! He knows I'm 12. Get him outside for the rock sling. Hit him. Hit him. Did he leave? Did he leave? Trey. Drew, did he leave? Ah! He's right here! I see him! He's gonna throw a bomb! He's gonna throw a poopy! He's trying to kill you, bro. Hey, LOS him. Summon this cooperator! I got him. I got him 40%, bro. 40%. Now we got the knight. We need Trey in here. Trey, we got 2 scenarios. We got the knight, who has a shield. Go help Drew. He's by the elevator. I'll kite this fool. I'll kite this fool. He's not gonna follow me, is he? Hey! Guys, you gotta help me with the knight, guys. He has a shield. He's out here. Oh! That was freaking perfect! That was perfect! This guy got no chance. That was no chance. When I say no chance, I mean you got no chance. That was sick. He didn't, man. He stayed. Oh my god, I just wasted a health pot. Now I have to do nothing on this playthrough. Who went up? No one did. I need health pots, guys. But no, we got an honest attempt. I just won't take damn. Dude, that right there. Okay, if someone could send me like a DM, a private message. Well, I'm going up to the boss. I'm gonna pull a boss. Now here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to. Oh, they grabbed it. They grabbed it. They grabbed it, guys. They're coming. I gotta go. I gotta go! Because they're still down the elevator, guys. And I have 1 health pot. Yeah, tell me like 3 hours and 50 minutes into the stream, they'll be able to zone in. You know, the invasion. Caleb, if you're here, that would be sick. Trade elevator, we both got off. Charlie back on. Yeah, no. Dude, I go to the boss. What do you think I made my level 3? Where? You guys gonna help me or what? I know you guys are down the elevator. I know it wasn't as big as y'all's. What think about me? Plenty mana.
Time to be born anew.
Spread out, folks. Now the key to Renala dying in this poll is me not dying. She's in the middle. It's okay, I took care of it. Who we get? Alright, it's a nice, slow, bookhead, poopy, weird teeth girl playthrough. I'm checking the outside. I don't see anyone. I'm guessing they're, oh man, I'm guessing this is it, because he's buffing. Oh, I got her. I got this. I'll take care of it, guys. Come on, na. Can we hit her? Alright. If I don't die to the common azure, we got this. I'll kite the ads. Okay? It's crazy, guys. Guys, I might be a little low level for this arena. Dude, y'all spend some time with my girlfriend. She likes to hold pumpkins.
My beloved, have no fear. I will hold thee. Patience. Ye will be countless born, forever and ever.
Is it short, folks? Dude, that was freaking cool, man. 353. All right.
Mother's rich limber shall not
I
be
might get hit by the
disturbed
comment
by
at your
thee.
guys.
Foul trespasser. Send word far and wide.
Got it. Okay, and now...
Of the last queen of Caria, Renala of the full moon.
Yeah, after I kill you, I'm gonna go back and kill your manor. She looks pretty,
And
though.
the majesty of the
She has
night
nice
she
skin.
conjureth.
Nose is not annoying. She's gonna poopy on that one eye. I did some damn. I'll kite the ads. I got this. I need a warming stone. If we could just kill her, that'd be good. Trey comes in with the full poopies. I'm trying to get the stagger. Done. Done. Caleb, that was fun. Caleb, when you get to Renala, you will see how easily she can be eliminated. But you will also see that when you get there, it's like, it could be so hard, man. Dude, that was it, man. Drew, thanks for hanging. That was sick, bro. I should grab the grace,
Where
right?
did he flee, my sweetings?
I don't know, man. I paused left, so I went for the cheese. You nailed it, dude.
There are
You nailed it. And you know what? I had...
plenty.
Check me. Wait. I had
Come
1 health pot,
I
2 mana
will
pots.
be gravestones.
Oh, she likes to hold her little baby pumpkin. Guys, I want to thank you guys for being here. If you're watching on YouTube and you like what you see, please give me a subscribe. If I've earned it, and the guys Trey and Drew definitely earned it, right? Thank you guys for being here. I'm sorry I look like a Oompa Loompa Doombity Doo, but lighting is a bitch, man. I freaking love you guys. Drew, Trey, Caleb, Kat, Thank you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna take off, man. I'm gonna call it. I got about an hour and a half for my company comes home, and I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow, man. I'm doing the skin tomorrow. Freaking love you guys. Radagon dies tomorrow. He has to. Elden Beast has to. He freaking has to, guys. Thank you, guys.